right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chevy Tahoe. It is the LT model, this beautiful black with black leather interior, third row seatings, only 32,000 miles in this vehicle. Running boards, roof racks, navigation system, backup camera, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender, actually I just saw a little dent there. Can it be seen? It is right there. There it is, right there. It's a little ding there, no paint off. You can see it right there on my camera. All right. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 730 seconds. Double check that. Just under 730 seconds at 630 seconds. That's correct. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread back here, which is over 730 seconds, as you can see. It's got a heavy scratch here, about 5 inches, 4 to 5 inches. It's got another little one here, less than 3 inches, about 2.5. Here's your nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. AM, FM, CD player, navigation system, backup camera, all that is right here. It's loading up the map. Got your AC controls right down below, dual AC controls. You got your heated seats right there. You got steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. All right, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure. Your mileage of 32,495. Your navi system just pulled up. Got your backup camera. And then you got your radio right there. Got some buttons here. This opens up the rear trunk, lift gate or whatnot. You got your 4x4 action right there. Looks good. All right. Got your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with armrest and cup holders. Got your rear AC controls and rear AC vents on top. All right. Oh. That third row seating, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. All right, coming around. Rear bumper looks good with the sensors and stuff like that. Does have a tow hitch. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down. Check out pictures for more details. You got some stuff here. You got your front license plate bracket. You got the cargo netting. You got your tow stuff. And I guess this is for, as you can see it there. All right, got a little button here. Closes this bad boy. Let's check it out, see if it looks good. It does. This glass opens up. Here's your your quarter here. This one here has a heavy scratch, I'll say 10 or more right there to engulf it all. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your rear passenger rim. I don't see any curbing. Tire 30 is just under 7. Let's double check that. Just under 730 seconds. All right, this door looks pretty good. Is the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Alright. This door here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. Your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Your tire thread. This is just at the line of 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Beautiful. Folks, once again, this is 2017 Chevy Tahoe LT model with only 32,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.